Hey guys, my name is Shaztech and welcome to another very short video where I'm going to be providing an update as to what I'm going to be doing with this channel. So what's going to be happening is my tech news and reviews will be mainly done me sitting down and telling you guys what's been going on, what's happening, as well as tech reviews and news that I'll be giving to you guys. This will replace me standing up with the camera and moving it all around, where I could just sit down here calm and talking to you guys by providing you the latest tech news and reviews. So I will be doing videos like this where I'm sitting down, and I'll also be doing videos where I'm vlogging outside, like I said before, in parks to inform you of the latest news. I've bought a selfie stick that allows me to record this video, but I'll be using that for outside as well. So make sure that you're tuned for more videos in the future. This is just a very short update. The camera quality is going to increase because right now the front facing camera is set at 1080p instead of 1440p. So the camera quality will definitely improve. And it's just a very short update letting you guys know that I've got some amazing videos coming up for you guys. I've got videos of me sitting down here and talking to you guys about what I love, and that is tech. So make sure you are tuned for more tech videos. I've been Shaztech. I'll see you guys in the next one. Watch out for my upload in a couple of hours. Thanks for watching.